Hello. Putting my AirPods in. This is one of the most common asked questions that I get. So, traffic is slow, so I'm like, let's do a quick video on the topic. Getting hard inquiries removed from my credit report, right? How do I get hard inquiries removed from my credit report? If you don't know, hard inquiries, right, are small things that make a big impact on your credit report. Hard inquiries are small things that make a big impact on your credit report, and they report on your credit report for up to 2 years. Now you may be thinking, well, it's just a hard pull, it's just 2 years, it's not like a collection or charge out for a late payment that can stay on my credit report for up to 7 years, right? But that's wrong, and a lot of time people discover this through applying, trying to apply for either a home or business credit or even personal credit cards, right? Thank you for the digital love. Hello. And so I've had one person this week, for example, to send me a message on Facebook and say that I have over a 720 credit score. So why am I getting denied for personal credit? Good morning, Dixon Reynolds. You need to get some of this business credit for your business. It's just a stack. I don't know why I have this stack of cards here. I need to put them up. But you need to get some of this business credit for your business, Mr. Dixon. It's always good to use the bank's money to build your business and create more cash flow in your life. And a lot of people that's seeking business credit, one of the top reasons they get denied is because they have too many inquiries, too many hard pulls on their credit report, right? And so someone sent me a message and said, I have over 720 credit score. Thank you so much. It's it's a little cool weather. It's showing about 48 degrees. So yeah, I have my hoodie on. Thank you so much. And this person in particular was getting denied for personal credit cards with over 720 credit score, and they did not have a major credit card already on their credit report. And I said, you have too many inquiries, right? And so a lot of people have attempted to get it done themselves. A lot of people use the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the 1681 BC on the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and state that it's a breach of privacy, a breach of security. And as I made the video on topic last night, why do-it-yourself credit repair does not work, simply because along with this reporting act that's included in the statement that it's a breach of security, they will request sometimes for a signed documentation of proof with my wet ink signature proving that I consented to this company or organization to pull my credit report, right? And as I stated last night on these do-it-yourself products that ask you to ask for physical documentation with your signature on it, or to simply ask you to verify the debt. I discussed that verification can be done by simple means of attaching the account with your address that they have on file. So, it's not difficult to verify. There are many means to verify. Even if you ask their method of verification, I'm kind of still talking about what I went into last night on my topic, why do-it-yourself credit repair doesn't work. Even if you ask for the method of verification, you still have to know exactly what documentation that the companies and the credit agencies use to ensure that everything that they post on your credit report is 100% true, right? And the same works with hard inquiries that's on your credit report. If you're asking for physical signed contracts or permission bearing your signature that you approve for this person or company to pull your credit report, that's not going to work. So let me get into it, and I'm signing off. Good morning, Antonio. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I show some digital love, right? So let me get into it. There are 3 reasons why a company under the Fair Credit Reporting Act should have the right to pull your credit, right? Or consent to pull your credit. Number 1 is for an extension of credit, right? Number 2 is for insurance. If you are applying for insurance, that's vehicle insurance, and for an extension of credit, vehicle insurance, for example, it's one of those methods. And people don't understand how your credit score is affected by insurance. And that 3rd reason or consent is for employment, right? And for employment. And so, as you are walking and a company, requests, hey, would you like to receive 10% off today? You're walking in the store, you're shopping maybe. You say, oh yeah, sure. Well, let's see if you qualify for this card. And you just, just openly say, okay, let's see, just haphazardly, but you don't understand that pull on your credit report will deny you for bigger opportunities to get credit. So once you consented, now there are 3 more areas, and this is the gray area that people don't know about. So this is one of the secrets for the people that's tuning in and watching this video, that under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, they must have a video of you in person at the place of business consenting to the credit pull, right? Or by telephone, over the phone, agreeing, to, pull your credit. Maybe you're applying for, or you are checking insurance prices over the telephone, via phone, or electronically through electronic signature, right? Through an electronic signature approval on the application. That's why the wet ink signature, your physical signature on contract, that went away in 2005, people. That went away in 2005. So those are antiquated methods. Just like getting an authorized user added to your personal credit profile used to position you to get business credit cards. That doesn't work anymore. They updated, changed the laws. Business credit cards companies did not like those approval, and people defaulting on the loan, because you have to keep in mind some business credit cards does not show on your personal credit report. So a lot of companies were issuing or approving these credit cards under those underwriting guidelines, and people was not repaying back to the debt. So that is antiquated. That's over with. Those days are gone. They're no longer here. And so once you know how to put all of those 6 components together, right, then that's how you get a hard inquiry removed off your credit report. And as I stated earlier, that's very important to get positioned for business credit. Very important for FHA loans. You can't have more than 6 pulls on your credit report in 6 months, right? And it also impacts your credit score by, I've had people that had up to 52 inquiries on their credit report because they go shopping for an automobile and vehicle, and their credit is just shotgun. And what the FICO score model will inform you is that when you're automobile shopping or shopping for a home, that within that 30-day windows, all of those hard pulls won't affect your credit report. It won't calculate to maybe 2 or 3 points per inquiry. But after that 30-day window is up, those 52, 30 inquiries, 20 inquiries, I've had people sometimes with 20 addresses, small things that make big impacts on your credit score, and addresses, old addresses and inquiries, or 2 of them will affect your credit score up to 20 to 100 points. But most importantly, you will get denied, right, for business credit and for FHA mortgage loans. So if that information helped you, you feel confident, you can get your own inquiries deleted, then do that. Also, you need to only get accounts that you were denied for deleted, or you need to only request for that documentation for accounts that you were not approved for, because in the past, people have just requested that inquiries be deleted because of the breach of privacy under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and they didn't have their permissible purpose to pull their credit, and the account holders have closed accounts, good accounts that were reporting on their credit report. And so the only hard inquiries that you can get deleted, that you don't have to take that risk of the company closing the account, are business credit cards that do not show on your personal credit account in the first place, right? So if you have business credit cards you got approved for, and now you want to get that hard pull off your credit report under those 6 disclaimers that I mentioned earlier, if you're watching this at the end, you need to watch this watch the replay, then usually the business card will not close because it's not reporting on your personal credit report initially in the first place. So, and I also customize affidavits to help people get inquiries deleted off their credit report. The processing time, or the length of time that it takes to get them deleted, is from 15 to 30 days. So if you are not having success in doing it yourself, you definitely can obtain my consulting services for a small deposit fee. So just send me an email, or better yet, just go on my website, because I always have to look at your credit report first. Go on my website, www.𝒞𝓋𝑒mycreditandcash.com. Select the tab Book Online. Email me your credit report. Let's look at what inquiries that you need assistance with in getting deleted, and you can invest in those in my customized services to get that done. Hey, I'm signing off. Have a terrific Thursday. This is the Queen of Credit. This is to better credit in your life and better cash flow. Have a great day.